Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant. See, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and today I'm going to share a solution which is asked by one of the reputed company in Hyderabad. So here, first of all, I will explain the query. Later, I will show you the solution. First of all, what it is. So some executives actually managers have given target for team for team leader. So team leader have given and segregated the calls to each and every executive equally. That is, you have to complete within maximum more than 50. See, more than 50 has to complete each and every executive. So here is the solution. So blanks means what is the meaning of blanks? Some blanks are there. What is the meaning of blanks? Blanks are nothing but the executives have not completed their target. For that reason, they have not mentioned their names. Whoever completed their target, they mention their names and features. And here, actually, you have to ask that. That is why if they are not completed their target out of 10 executives, then why they have kept the blank? We can remove the blanks, right? So here that is not the big thing, but here is that we have to count how many executives are there because the team leader has segregated each and every executive 50, more than 50. Okay, more than 50. Total 10 members are there. Target is 500. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Okay. So here you have to observe that some executives are exceeded 50, some executives are equal to 50, some executives are less than 50. So here the query is that minimum target should be 80% of total calls that is given by the manager to the team leader. That is 500, total 500 calls. 50 into 10, 500. So each executive 50 into 10, 500. Okay, done. Now we have to find that each team is reached the target of 80% or not from the total of 500. See, here is the query I'm going to explain you clearly. First of all, what you have to do means some ifs, right? Some ifs, some range. What you want to sum? I want to sum of the calls. Okay, this is the first thing. And the second thing is that you have to check the criteria range. What will be the criteria range? We want to check that each and every executive calls target is reached more than 50 or not. For that reason, again I'm taking the same range, comma, and the criteria will be greater than 50, but not yet completed. Okay, this is the not yet completed. So we have to remove the blanks, means we have to remove the executives who are not completed more than 50. More than 50, they are not completed. So we have to pick up them. We have to pick up and remove them. So what I'll do, again, I will use the same function, I'll continue with the sum if with the fourth criteria, that is criteria range, this one. Now I'll select this one, comma. What will be the criteria for this? Nothing is there, is not equal to blank. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Here again double quotes. Okay. Not equal to blank and another one. Okay. So this is the criteria two. It is the text. For that reason, I mentioned in the quotes, double quotes. Right. If you have any doubt, ask me in the description of this video. Here I'll solve. I will explain you your doubts. I will clear your doubts. And if anybody wants to join in my group, that is WhatsApp group, you can join Telegram group. You can join. You can join my WhatsApp channel. All links are I will mention in the description of this video. Now I press enter. Totally 411. So what I'll do to make you understand better, I'll remove the blanks now. I'll filter and remove the blank. Totally these many are there. Control shift down arrow, totally 411. Total 7 have completed and 411. Now we have to remove, now we have to find the target. Okay, we have to find the target. Will they reach 80% or more than 80%? So what we have to do here means it's very easy, is equal to this divided by 500. And convert this into percentage by clicking over here. There is an option and there is a shortcut key for control shift percent. Right, understood. And next video, there is very complicated. I'm going to share this next file. This is very, very important. And the next file I'm going to share in WhatsApp group. If anybody wants to join WhatsApp group, and if anybody follow WhatsApp channel, and if anybody wants to join Telegram group, all links will be mentioned in video of this description. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.